Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys some new updates on the Darkness Rise. However, there's a new pet that I'm gonna be presenting today, which it is the Succubus. Yeah, the devil, the Succubus. However, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one, and I'm gonna guys continue the video, and I'm gonna be showing you tips and tricks for this update. Yeah, let me go ahead and buy it. So guys, I got it and now I'm gonna be leveling it up, and yeah, see, I hope I get an attack one. And there's if I hit those, it's gonna be 20 million. However, I'm gonna need them, but let me check. What did I get? One of 2 million. Different. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna be going ahead and level it up. So it needs the yellows, I believe. Yellows. Okay, yep. We're just gonna go get ahead like 300. Oh, I can get 100. Right. So now we're gonna be leveling her up. Next. So it's gonna be level 26. I'll level her up more after, but yeah, for now guys, this is it. So now we're gonna be going ahead with the events. So what event is there is a fishing day and a boss hunter. So guys, I have a trick for the boss hunter. You can't do it more than 3 times unless you want to purchase 3 more times. But yeah, if you want to get guys double this reward, you're gonna make sure you have more than one account. As you can see, I have all of them except the one on the right. I didn't level him up yet, but yeah, I did all of them and I got these 75, 59, and like yeah, I have a new update guys. You can also stack those up like rank S. Instead of putting them like around like 111, they can all now be put in once, like this one alone. So for the fishing day guys, also the same, I recommend you guys to do it in the many different accounts, because one, I think it could be 1,100,000 I believe. Oh, 2 million. Alright. So yeah guys, it's gonna give you a good amount of money. So make sure guys to do it in more than one account. And yeah guys, that's it for what I have to share with you, and thanks for watching.